Put cabbage in salted water for 20 minutes. Break cabbage into pieces. Grate it all. Take 3 heads of garlic and cut the top. Add black pepper and paprika. One tablespoon of olive oil and put in preheated oven for 20 minutes. Chop a bunch of fresh coriander. Add it to cauliflower. Salt, pepper to taste. 1 teaspoon coriander powder. Mix all together and add 90 ml of coconut milk. And again mix well together. Grate 1 banana. We are using banana here instead of egg. Garlic is ready and we are adding garlic to cabbage. Garlic is very soft and tender and it's very easy to mix together. Add in slowly 3 tablespoons of flour. One tablespoon olive oil. Put the mixture in the frying pan. Fry on each side 20 minutes. Turn over with a plate. You see how beautiful golden color we have. It's ready. Garnish with garlic. And bon appetit! Very nice, so tasty, so creamy flavor. That banana replaces eggs in dough, for example. And I put banana instead of egg because it makes sticky and after the dough will not break. You will not feel the flavor of banana. No, guys, it's so nice, really. I love it. It's very tasty. And remember, I added a lot of garlic. Yes, garlic and creamy this because of coconut milk flavor. It's covered in all banana flavor. You will not feel it at all. Guys, this is nice. And my advice, try it. It's very delicious. Very tasty. Garlic. Amazing.